Guys, this is how to see how to get, I mean, how to see the stepfather inside. You see in my other video, in the YouTube, my name is Blue Chick. That's why. Videos. I found a bug that inside. That's why I will show you how. First, read the book. First, span a pen, then move your camera like this. Alright? Then, you see it. Alright. Follow my steps. First, span a pen. Now, click this. Now, look. In my video, I tried to use a program that looks dumb. But see that? That's the power mob. Yep. That's the secret. What about inside? Did I never see a bug inside a vehicle before? But yeah, a bug is inside. Then it's try to post other secrets. First, where's it? Town 30F2. To come out and there. We just found the right where the secret was. Was here. Prim pum pum prim pum pum prim pum pum prim pum pum. What the heck, man? We're gonna discover secrets. But pictures. What Chicken got made. And please don't delete it. It's just really cool. See another picture. Then you gotta go to the office too. Go there. Go in there. It's not gonna get lost. Go to the cake or was. And what? How fat is Butis? And I forgot to say the secret. It was here. Where's that? Where was it? Brother, need to go here. Almost explode. It was here. Chicken gun, why are you so fat? Did you just eat a drink last night and you became fat? No. Why am I lagging? But bye for now. Goodbye.